Hello, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to be explaining plant exchange. Okay, so what do we need to know? Well, plants have specific organs and surfaces that are designed to maximise exchange. So we've got the leaves and the roots, and we'll look at root hair cells in a second. Now, what materials do plants need to get into them? Well, they need to get carbon dioxide through the leaves, so carbon dioxide diffuses into the leaves to allow photosynthesis to occur, and plants absorb water and minerals through the roots. So plants absorb water and minerals through the roots. So they're the materials that plants need to get into them. So how are they adapted? Well, a leaf has a very flat shape and a very large surface area to maximise the diffusion of carbon dioxide into the leaf. So that's the feature of the leaves. And roots have a feature called a root hair cell, which I've kind of drawn very simply here. Now, root hair cells have a very large surface area, which maximises the absorption of water and minerals, and has very thin walls to allow the plant to absorb those water and mineral molecules into them. So they're the features. Now, we need to look at another factor, something else that's called transpiration. Now, what transpiration is it's the movement of water up from the roots up to the leaves. Now, water needs to get up to the leaves because the leaves are where photosynthesis occurs, and water is one of those raw materials required for photosynthesis. So what happens is water moves up the plant, but when the water gets to the leaves, the water evaporates. So water evaporates, and as that water at the leaves evaporates, it leaves space. And that space is then filled by other water molecules moving up. And this process of water moving up through the plant is called transpiration, and it's driven by this evaporation of water at the leaves. Okay? So the water will be absorbed to the roots, be carried up through the stem by xylem, up to the leaves, where it evaporates, and then water would then move up to fill that space. So that's transpiration. You need to know a couple of things about what could affect it. It can be affected by wind and heat. So the more windy it is, the faster the rate of evaporation, because the water particles will be blown away by the wind, and also the hotter it is, the faster the rate of evaporation as well. Okay, so those factors are what cause the water to evaporate from the leaf. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter @Rushcliffe. Thank you.